Naming reactions and catalyst. Alphabetical order we use that. A. Earned Eichstätt reaction. Catalyst PCl5 SOCl2. Aldol condensation. Con NaOH. Concentrated NaOH. And B. Ball-Zeeman reaction HbF4. Baeyer-Villiger oxidation NH2OH. Beckmann rearrangement PCl5. Birch reduction nickel with liquid ammonia. C. Carbylamine reaction CHCl3 alcoholic KOH. Cannizzaro reaction concentrated NaOH. Corehouse mechanism lithium, copper iodide and ether. Coupling reaction NaOH. Curtius rearrangement C2H5OH. That's it.